Hello, children. Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to discuss some of important PLQs of the chapter differential equation. We cover almost all the aspects of the differential equation chapter. Okay, all the expected theory or all the expected formula technique to solve differential equation, which is more important for the mains as well as the animals. So in this lecture, almost we are going to solve 12 questions, which include order under taking concept, variable separable method of solution of differential equation, then how to solve linear differential equation, then we will deal homogeneous differential equation, then we will deal exact differential equation, and Bernoulli. Then we will say we will see one of the application of this differential equation, that is growth model. Okay, you may heard about that. So let me start. How we are going to proceed is we will first see the concept, what the concept we need to use, then what you going to do, then you have to solve a question. That question I will explain, you need to understand. Let me move to question number one. So, the question number one we are going to discuss is from JE 2024. And the concept is based on order analysis. Okay. So, before explaining this, what is meaning by order? What is meaning by degree? We need to learn. So, before that, we need to learn what is differential equation. In the school mathematics, you know what is the polynomial, right? What is the polynomial? Any expression in the form a1 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus plus a is equal to 0. This is a polynomial of degree n, right? Maximum power of x is the degree of the polynomial. Similarly, differential equation means an equation where the variable is a dependent fixture. For example, a naught dy by dx to the power n plus a1 dy by dx to the power n minus 1 plus that plus a is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. So what is differential equation? An equation where the variable is derivative itself. This derivative may be of any order. This is the order one. Order one. It may possible order two is here. Order one is here. Order three is here. So what is mean by order? Any different? The highest order derivative present in the equation is called order of differential equation. What is the highest power of the order of the derivative? Provided the differential equation is a polynomial. That means all the derivative terms are free from transcendental function. For example, sin x, cos x, tan x, cos square x, tan inverse x, logarithm x. If we are able to make that, or after converting the differential equation to a linear power with polynomial in derivative, the highest power derivative is the order, and the power of the highest term is the degree of the differential. For example, suppose we have d square y by dx square comes here plus sin x dy by dx is equal to 0. So in case of differential equation, the constant term may be function of x or y. So this differential in this differential equation, this order of this differential equation is order of this term is second two. Order is this order is one. So highest order is two. So order of the differential equation is two. Now after that, we have to say the power of the highest order derivative term. This is the highest order derivative term. What is the power of the differential equation is one. So degree one. But problem is other organisms exist. Degree is not always exist. When degree is not exist, even we are unable to write the differential equation as a linear form of derivative or polynomial form of derivative. For example, second case. Suppose my differential equation is sine dy by dx is equal to x. This is a differential equation. We know by using Maclaurin series or Taylor series, you can able to explain sin x as any linear form in the sense not a polynomial, it should be infinity series, right? We are able to explain like x. That means sin x is something like factorial, right? X minus x cube by 3 factor plus x5 by 5 factor plus that up to infinity, right? That means if I want to express this differential equation in the terms of polynomial, directly may open that sign or something. So that difference is never ending, right? Never ending means it is not a polynomial. That means directly you can say the degree order is one per sheet. Here we have order one, but degree is not defined. Like from timing it looks like not defined. But in this sense, what we need to do is we have sine dy by dx is equal to x. X. So I can write like this: dy by dx is equal to sin inverse. The moment I do that, after doing this, what I do, the highest power of this is one, and the degree is so degree is one. Highest power derivative is one. So order also one. But but somehow we were unable to swing this formula is means unable to make DOIP takes free from translational function. For example, sin is for the sin inverse, cos inverse, all the things. They don't have to express in the polynomials, finite degree. Then in that case, degree is not just okay. If you're not the right way, DOIP takes may linear. For example, same question. If you write sin dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx. Here, irrespective of the order of not order, like here, order of this derivative is 2, order of this derivative is singular of derivative, highest order is this, that means order is 2. But even though, even though it is looks like it is free from the translational function, but this derivative is not fixed. So, and also, if I make sign as sign inverse of this, then even though sign inverse is not a derivative term, that means decrease does not exist. I think you understood. Let me back to the question. So, what is order? Order is the highest order derivative. Decrease is power. After making polynomial formally in the derivative, okay. So order is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. dv power of the highest order derivative after clearing fraction or addition transitional society. For example, degree is undefined if any derivative appear inside sin, cos, log, exponential, or etc. Tan, cot, all the trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. That means if we are unable to make this derivative term free from this function, then by doing some simply algebraical manipulation or mathematical manipulation, in that case, if you are unable to do, then degree just already simple. This function we have to use. Or this degree may have been depend on your polynomial form. What you are going to the this is the concept. And the question is this. And this is asked in JEE 2024. So, and the question, find the degree of order. The given differential equation is d square y by dx square whole power 3 plus dy by dx whole power 2 plus sin of dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, for the order of this term is 2. Order of this derivative in this term is 1. Order of the derivative is 1. So highest order is 2. So order is 2. So order is 2. Order 2 means this is not 2. False also. Now for the T. Is any derivative term content of this translational function? This is the problem. This is a derivative term which contains translational function. Also, if you make these two derivatives in the right hand side, always one, and make the sign inverse, then sign inverse contain these two, right? That means whatever mathematical manipulation we will do, we unable to express derivative as a polynomial. So the degree is doesn't exist. So which option is correct? Degree is degree of so this is my correct option. Order is 2 and the degree is does not exist. Let me go to the next question. So our next question is from JEE 2024 and the concept is variable separable method. What is that method? Variable separable method is nothing but it is a technique to solve differential equation. In our differential equation, we are able to convert all the dependent variable on one side, all the independent variable one side. That means if the derivative is of the dy by dx, if we are able to convert all the y term on one side along with the dy, all the x term on one side along with the dx, then it is separable by the variable. Then after integrating, we get this solution. For example, if our differential equation is of the what? dy by dx is equal to function of x into function of y or dy by dx is equal to function of x divided by function of y. In this case, what we will do is we can separate the variable. That means we can combine f of x with the dx, f of x with the dx, we shift to one side, and f of y with dy, f of y with dy. Okay, then what will happen? So this will be dy equal f of y is equal to f of x dx. This expression become f of y dy, obviously dy and dx should be in the numerator. Okay, it can't be denominator. We can write it. After that, what do we do? This contains only y term, this contains only x term. In the differential equation, what do we need to do? We need to find the value of y x. So that means after that you have to integrate only. So why is the since we are able to separate the variable dy and all the y term outside, all the extra outside. So one variable separable method rearrange of y term with dy one side, all x term with dx other side. If you are able to do that, then this method is very useful. If you are unable to do, then we can't apply variables. So, like, key formula is after converting y into dy, x into ds, we just need to integrate. This expression is given some function of y, this expression is given some function of x, then we make the solution. Y is equal to g of x plus c. Then after converting, then integrate both the side independently and then instantly. After doing that, we get the required solution. For example, let me see the question. Dy by dx is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 divided side 1 plus y cos. इनके आप ऑप्शन क्लियर this is contain only y term and these contain only x term. So x term will combine with the dx, y term will combine with the dy. So this we can do and solve as a right. Solve the sum of this. We have sine plus y cos y into dy is equal to x into 2 ln x plus 1 into dx. Now, since we need the solution, integrate both this. If you do the integration, what I got sin y integration to minus y cos 6 is derivative is minus 97. Use that. Plus, here we need to by the formula, what is the formula? We have to keep y plus integration of cos y. It's sin of minus integration of derivative y with respect to y is 1 integration of cos y. It's sin y dy is equal to, let me multiply together 2 is outside x ln x dx plus integration of x is x square by 2. So this becomes minus cos y plus y sin y minus integration of sin y is minus cos y. So this becomes plus cos y is equal to 2 into x ln x. You have to do the by parts. Ln x is outside. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of derivative of ln x is 1 by x. Integration of x is x square by dx. X and x will cancel. So what this is equal to minus cos y plus cos y will cancel. So you got this is equal to y sin of y sin y is equal to 2 into x square by 2 x square by 2 ln x square by 2 ln minus 1 by 2 is outside derivative of x square by 2. So these two are cancel and these two 2 is already outside the answer. Plus you have x square by 2. X square by 2 and x square by 2 cancel. You got the final answer. Y sin y is equal to x square ln x plus integration constant c. Y sin y is equal to x square ln x. Y sin y is equal to x square ln x. So option A is the correct. B0, C0 and D0.